Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're tackling one of the most frustrating problems in every household, pet hair and everyday mess, with the BISSELL PowerClean FurFinder 200W Self-Standing Cordless Vacuum. Designed for homes with pets, this sleek, powerful cleaner brings smart engineering and powerful suction into one lightweight cordless design. At its core, the FurFinder packs an impressive 200-watt digital motor, delivering strong, consistent suction that easily handles pet hair, crumbs, dust, and debris across both hard floors and carpets. It's built with BISSELL's signature Tangle-Free Brush Roll, meaning no more hair wrapped around the brush, an absolute game-changer for pet owners. One of the highlights of this model is its self-standing design, a rare feature in cordless vacuums. You can pause mid-clean or park it anywhere without leaning it against a wall, a small detail that makes a big difference in everyday convenience. The removable, rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free cleaning, and when you're done, it charges easily on the included wall mount, keeping everything neat and organized. The bright LED headlights on the cleaning head illuminate hidden dust, pet fur, and debris under furniture, making sure no spot goes unnoticed. For above-floor cleaning, the FurFinder converts into a handheld vacuum, complete with a multi-use upholstery tool, perfect for couches, stairs, car interiors, and pet beds. The lightweight build and ergonomic handle make cleaning effortless, whether you're tackling quick cleanups or deep sessions. A standout feature is how quiet yet powerful this vacuum is. The optimized airflow and motor design minimize noise without sacrificing suction, a blessing for both pets and owners. The dustbin is easy to empty with a single button, and the filters are washable, helping you save on replacements. Plus, every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping rescue pets in need, a mission that makes every clean feel even better. If you're ready for a vacuum that's built for homes with pets, designed for convenience, and engineered for performance, the BISSELL PowerClean FurFinder 200W is it. Buy it now on Amazon using the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech and home innovation reviews every day.